Hello everyone. In this video lecture we can see one topic, network based intrusion detection system. This is the topic from the 4th unit of for the subject cybersecurity. The objectives of studying this topic is to understand the basic working of network based intrusion detection system and to analyze the challenges in network based intrusion detection system. Actually, NIDS is a security technology that monitors and analyzes the network traffics for the signs of malicious activity, unauthorized access, or security policy violations. NIDS will be installed in a network, in the end of the network, to protect our organization's network from the external, unauthorized, or attacker traffic. So it is used to protect our network. It will analyze the incoming traffic to our network and it will find whether any suspicious malicious activities are coming, and by identifying the such activity, immediately it will take the necessary actions to restrict the attacker activities, attacker packets getting inside of our network. This is actually the structure of NIDS. So we can see from the internet, from the external network, the NIDS will be installed in between our organization's internal network and the external network, so that it can filter the traffic coming from the external network. So and only the authorized traffic can be entered inside our trusted network. And our network based intrusion detection system analyzes the network traffic and looks for behavior patterns and to identify the intrusion or attack. It will work in two modes, passive or inline mode. In passive mode, the NIDS only monitors the outgoing network traffic without interfering within it. But in inline module, it can modify the network traffic to detect intrusions or block malicious activities. However, the active mode may increase the risk of disrupting legitimate network traffic, and it is usually not recommended. When a NIDS detects a potential network threat, it generates an alert. The alert includes information such as the type of attack, the source and destination IP addresses, and the time of the attack. The NIDS may also take necessary actions to prevent the attack, such as blocking the source IP address or modify current network traffic. Now let us see there are methods of NIDS detection. There are two methods are used: signature based detection, anomaly based detection. In signature based detection, a signature will be, every network traffic will have its own signatures or patterns. A signatures will be verified and it will be analyzed whether it is a legitimate user signature. If any mismatches in the signature, then the system will identify it as an attacker's signature. So with the help of the signature verification, attacker's traffic will be identified and it will be restricted. In case of second method, that is anomaly based method, this method involves detecting the traffic that deviates from the normal network behavior. Anomaly means normal network behavior. If any data traffic have some abnormal network behavior, it will be identified as an attack and attacker's traffic. Then the necessary actions will be taken to protect from the abnormal network traffic. Then hybrid detection. In this method, the technology will combine both signature based as well as anomaly based detection methods to identify the intrusion. The technologies that a network based intrusion detection system can monitor. Here are some of the technologies that these systems can monitor. First one is, our network intrusion detection system can monitor the network protocols. The behavior and the functionality of various network protocols can be verified and monitored to identify for attacks, if any. Then the network devices can be monitored. Applications running in a network or the host systems in a network can be monitored for any unusual activity that might indicate a security breach. Then operating system and the functionality of operating system can be monitored. activities coming from the wireless networks can be monitored for to identify any RUC access points, unauthorized connections, or denial of service attacks. So that's all about the network intrusion detection system, having many advantages like prevention of network attack, identification of vulnerabilities, protection of sensitive information, real-time monitoring, and compliance with regulations.